Hello, I am Marianne, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about the slimming supplement Java Burn before you buy this product. Pay attention to what I will tell you, because I have two very important alerts to make you about Java Burn. The first thing you need to know is: be careful with the website you are going to buy, because Java Burn is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, there are reports of the sale of this possibly counterfeit product. So be careful. And for you not to take the risk of buying a fake product and put your health at risk, I left the link of the official Java Burn website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely, okay? Now I'll tell you what Java Burn is and how it works. Java Burn is an advanced formula to accelerate and increase the efficiency of your metabolism, burn fat mainly in the belly region, losing weight in a natural and safe way while increasing your health, energy, and well-being. After many laboratory tests, scientists have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients able to lessen their hunger, promote the burning of fat accumulation in the body, and give a lot of energy in your day. Just mix a package of Java Burn to your coffee every morning. Java Burn dissolves quickly, has no taste, or changes anything in your coffee, but you will feel the powerful synergy of Java Burn and your coffee in your day-to-day. This formula possesses a powerful blend of concentrated and potent fat-burning ingredients, and energy-boosting, and metabolism improvement that are green tea extract, with catechin called ECGC, L-theanine, L-carnitine, chromium, caffeine and chlorogenic acid. All these compounds together promote fat burning, in a natural, healthy and 100% safe way, without any risks to your health, does not cause any kind of dependency or have side effects. Java Burn has been extensively tested and studied to be safe and functional, including tested by third-party labs, to ensure quality and efficiency. The formula of Java Burn is very effective and functional, and at the same time very safe and beneficial to your body. I will leave the link of the official website in the description of the video for you to check. Java Burn will accelerate your metabolism and boost your body's fat burning, even in more difficult regions such as the belly, back, arms and face, and will help you decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease and other diseases related to overweight. Important to keep in mind that Java Burn will assist and greatly in your weight loss, but you also need to practice some kind of exercise, such as walking in the park, biking, whatever you prefer, drink plenty of water during the day, and improve your diet. This way you will have a huge gain in quality of life and health, and along with it you will lose a lot of weight and feel much better. The recommended is that you consume Java Burn every morning by mixing a dose of the product into your morning drink, preferably coffee, but it can also be added to your tea, juice, whatever you prefer. Java Burn will not alter the taste of your drink and dissolves easily when added. You will notice changes in your body and quality of life already in the first month of consumption, but the ideal is that you keep a regular consumption of Java Burn for at least 3 months, so that you can feel all the effects of the product and your body gets used to it. In general, at this time recommended above is that people notice the changes and improvements in your body with the consumption of Java Burn, but it's important that you know that each body reacts in a way to treatment, so I recommend you take the test and be surprised, just as many people are being transformed. But remember to take the treatment seriously and consume every morning. And if eventually you follow the treatment as recommended, and end up not liking, or not feeling all the effects of Java Burn, just ask for a refund. They return your money, because Java Burn has a 60-day warranty. The intention of Java Burn producers is that their experience is 100% satisfied. So yes, you can trust this product. It is also important to note that Java Burn is totally natural and has no side effects or contraindications. It does not cause dependency. Java Burn is produced in a state-of-the-art US facility, FDA-approved and GMP certified, good production practices, under the strictest, most sterile and accurate standards. It is a vegetarian product, non-GMO, no gluten, no added fillers, preservatives, artificial colors, or stimulants of any kind. Java Burn really works. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I'm sure you will have a good result with it. Don't forget that Java Burn is only sold on the official website, and I left the link just below in the description of this video to help you, because there are reports of websites selling fake products, so just go to the link I left for you in the description. I hope I have helped with this information and that you can enjoy all the benefits this product has to offer. Bye bye.